In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Final Cut Pro for free. So first, you can install it with a free trial. You have 90-day free trial. So if you decided to install a free trial, make sure you install it from Apple official website. So right here, simply click on this free trial, and then you come over here. You can simply click on this download now here, and look at to the right here. Now I have my free trial is downloading. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on pause here because I don't need it. I already have my paid version. I'm going to click on this X here to pretty much stop the downloading. And I will have the free trial link below the video, guys. This is just a quick tip. When you install the free trial, you do not have sound effects or any other audio or music, background music come with the application. Only the Final Cut Pro. And you have some scene and lower third or text come with it, but not sound effects and audio in general. Tip number 2, you do not have to buy Final Cut Pro again if one of your family member already purchased it. You can share that together as long as the main buyer, let's say in this case my husband purchased Final Cut Pro, he can allow or share with me via Apple account. So you can go into your Apple and then click on allow or share that with your member. In this case, he shared with me and then I accept it, and then I can come to my computer and then install it for free. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I'm going to come over here to my App Store. And then if we look down here, we see my username, click on that. And I'm going to come over here to purchase by Rose, and then click on that to change it to my husband, which is William. And if we look at down here, here we go. This is Final Cut Pro. So what happened, guys? Do not come over here and then search Final Cut Pro, because then it will ask you to buy it again. So don't do that. Or don't click on this either. Don't click on that. It will ask you to buy, to purchase again. Don't do it. You want to come back over here and let me show you. You click on this icon right here. Look at right here. You click on this button right here. This is when it's allow you to install for free. Okay. And right now it is installing. So now let's click on open here. And there it is. We can use this for creating a video. So first of all, let me come over here and then save this into a doc. I'm going to right click on this and then have it keep in doc. And I'm going to move them over here where all my editing tools are. So I'm going to close this and then let me show you, and also close this App Store as well. And we're gonna go Finder and then Application. And there it is. This is our Final Cut Pro application. And if we look at right here, once again, we get to select sound and audio however you want, because right here is come with all the audio. So let's say, for example, if I want to, let's say, bring in my media. Here I have my 4 terabyte. Let's just get one. And let's get here. Oh, look at this one. January 1st in Tehran. I'm going to select import here. And then this is my file. I'm going to simply, let's just click one of these. So here, this is my file. Okay, I'm going to create a project. Let's see if I have one. Let's create new projects and then name it Tirana. And 4K because my file I shot in 4K. And here by default we have 4K and Apple ProRes 422. I'm going to click on OK here. And then I'm going to simply grab one of this and then put it in. So right here I'm going to click, drag and drop here. And let's just kind of zoom out a little bit. So this is what I'm going to talk about here. We can use the sound in here, okay? So it should become with audio. So I'm going to click on this audio right here, and you can select sound effects, and it should come with sound effects. See right there. And you can search how you like. Let's see, rain. And as you can see right here, we have train and rain down here. You can click and then listen to the. So that is rain. That is awesome. And you can also find anything else you want. So this is it, guys, how to install Final Cut Pro for free. Use share account with a family members. So by the way, guys, look it up here. Is we barely noticed it's still right now importing my file. I'm going to go back here to the default window, and now my file is still importing into Final Cut Pro. There you have it, guys. I hope this video helpful, and remember to follow me on Encoder Fashion for more awesome tech tips like this. So bye, guys.